It's Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical, your trusted plumbing and HVAC company since 2009, serving southern and central Indiana. Imagine you find the perfect house, great neighborhood, and the right price. You put in an offer, it gets accepted, and you're one signature away from the biggest purchase of your life. Now imagine finding out, after you close, that the sewer line under that house is a complete disaster. We're talking $30,000 to repair. That's not a hypothetical. That happened. And a $300 camera scope inspection is the only reason one buyer didn't walk into that nightmare. Here's what most buyers don't know. A standard home inspection does not include the sewer line. The inspector runs the water, checks the drains, but they are not looking inside that pipe. Riverway Plumbing specializes in exactly this kind of work. Sewer line inspections, sewer repairs, trenchless technology, all of it. We do a lot of residential jobs. And one of the most valuable things we do, honestly, one of the things we wish more people knew about, is pre-purchase sewer camera inspections. In this example, offset joints happen when the ground shifts over time, pipe sections pull apart, sewage leaks into the soil, debris builds up, backups start. Root intrusion is exactly what it sounds like. Tree roots find a crack, squeeze in, and keep growing until the pipe is completely blocked. The worst part? From the outside, everything looks completely normal. And here's the part that really stings. Once you close on that house, the $30,000 repair is yours, not the seller's. Yours. A pre-purchase sewer scope gives you leverage to negotiate a price reduction, ask the seller to fix it, or allow you to walk away. All better options than finding out after move-in day. If you're buying a home in Bloomington, Ellettsville, Bedford, or anywhere in central or southern Indiana, call us before you close. Sewer camera inspections start at $300. We walk you through the footage in real time so you know exactly what you're buying. And if we find damage, we specialize in trenchless sewer repair, no digging up your yard. We back everything with a 10-year warranty, 17 years of experience, licensed, insured, and bonded. At Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical, we handle plumbing and HVAC for homes and businesses across central and southern Indiana. From trenchless sewer lining that saves your yard to AC and furnace repair, installation, and everything in between, our licensed technicians get it done right. Give us a call today at 812-327-8080 or visit us online at www.riverwayplumbing.com.